So we all know that lockdown has been increased to 3rd May, and hence it's very important for us to stay home in order to prevent this COVID-19 spread. Yet, we find people defy social distancing and crowd outside to buy their daily essentials. Retail shops are finding it difficult to deliver the goods with a quick turnaround time. Even the current coupon system has failed miserably as people gather to collect their coupons first and then to shop again, thus increasing the risk of infection.
आपको इस आइडिया के बारे में?
आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है। वैसे भी हमको बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है। डीमार्ट में सुबह 2-2 घंटा लाइन सिर्फ कूपन के लिए लगाना पड़ता है, फिर वापस जाना पड़ता है सामान के लिए, और एज के मुताबिक हमको ये होता नहीं, और इसके साथ अगर हमको दवा मिले तो और अच्छा है।
Apart from consumers, daily wage workers in Mumbai like the auto drivers and the dabbawalas are facing serious problems as they are out of income during this lockdown. Our idea on Automart is thus to tackle these multiple problems on a single platform. Here, consumers can place and confirm their orders online or on call to authorized retail stores in their location and get the orders delivered quickly to their doorsteps by these auto drivers. These auto drivers would also be trained properly and certified for safety measures while delivering the goods, making the process more trustworthy and reliable. They would also be asked to download the Arogya Setu app to track their movements and check if they have come in vicinity of any COVID patients. Goods to be delivered would be packed in a unique packaging system which can provide zero contact delivery and prevent infection by multiple contacts. Automart would add delivery charges to the customer which would be directly paid to the drivers. Advantages: certified training for safe and quick delivery, unique packaging and zero contact delivery, connecting local to locals, making the process more trustworthy, streamlined and easy to execute while providing earning options. This idea is feasible and for immediate execution and sustainable even after COVID crisis, and hence we have decided to upscale this idea stage-wise, where the next stage would be delivery of medicines along with groceries while roping in dabbawalas and taxi drivers. Some of the interviews we took to understand the perception of people while maintaining social distancing.
ही स्कीम मी समजवली, याबद्दल तुम्हाला तुमचं काय म्हणणं आहे?
ही स्कीम जी तुम्ही आम्हाला सांगितली ना, एकदम चांगली आहे, आम्हाला पटली आणि हे झालं तर एकदम आनंदाची गोष्ट आहे. त्याच्याकरता म्हणजे आमचं घरदार तर चालेल, मुलं वगैरे दुखते.
ही कल्पना खूपच चांगली आहे, पण आपण जे होम डिलिव्हरी करणार आहे औषधांची घरपोच, तर त्याच्यामध्ये रिक्षावाल्यांनी धंदा तर भेटतोयच, पण ते रिक्षावाल्यांनी ट्रेनिंग द्यायला पाहिजे की कोणत्या प्रकारे डिलिव्हरी करायची.
Please like, share and comment on our idea to save community and business during this COVID crisis. Essentials would be delivered straight at your home. Please don't panic. Please don't roam.